Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are just joining me for the first time. I have a quick unboxing again today, you guys. I am so obsessed. I have a little Louis addiction now. Also want to say I'm trying out a red lip today, so hopefully it looks okay. It just looked fun, so I decided to try it out. So let's get into this. I don't want to yammer on and spend all the time talking. Let's show you what I got. Here's the little box that it came in. I will link some of my other unboxings if you're interested. I'm just starting out my Louis Vuitton collection and I'm really loving everything. I'm like obsessed with going in there and getting some SLGs to go with my new bag. My husband got me a bag for Christmas, so I'll link that video and some of the other ones if you're interested. So let's get started. I picked this up in store and I was super shocked that they actually had one. I haven't seen it in store. And I haven't been doing this forever, but I have been in several times and they have been completely out. So here's the receipt. There it is, in case you're interested. If you guys ever want to know any more information about these than what I show, please let me know and I will get back with you on that. Here is the box. Oops. Here is the box it came in. We still have the lovely, beautiful gold holiday ribbon out, which I absolutely love. So I'm so glad they still have this out. So let's take that off. And it's a little drawer box. There she is in her little dust bag. And you guys, I'm dying with this. This was a piece that I have loved since the second I saw it. But I was like, what would I use it for? Am I really gonna love it? So I am trying it out. I'm so excited. I absolutely love it. When I saw it in the store, I was like, oh my God, this is like a must-have piece. And I feel like it's not, I try to buy very versatile pieces that I can use for a ton of different things, just so I get my money's worth out of it. Because these are luxury goods and they're expensive. But this little guy was like non-negotiable, had to have, fell in love the second I saw it. It is the Louis Vuitton round coin purse. And you guys, I died when I saw it. It's so cute. Here's the sides. So it's like a good size. I mean, it fits definitely in your hand, like bigger than your hand, the palm of your hand at least. Here's the little textile card. It's coated fabric with cowhide leather lining. And I don't think I have the little item number in here, but I just wanted to show you guys. It is so adorable. Like, I am in love. I love how it has the LV right in the middle on both sides, so it's two pieces. There's the inside. You guys, this is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I feel like I'm going to be able to use it a lot of different ways. This is made in France. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it is made in France. And I just love this piece. I think it's so adorable. And I don't have an actual wallet yet. You know, I've looked at some of their wallets and I just haven't found one that I really love. And to spend all that money on how much their wallets cost, I really want to make sure I love it before I invest so much money into it. So I don't have anywhere to put my coins. I'm using my key clay really as my wallet right now. So I decided to get this. I can put coins in here, I can put bills in here, and I will show you guys how I end up using this. I don't even know. I may use it for something completely different, but that was my mindset when I purchased it. And I feel like it's just going to be so adorable inside my bag and it's going to be so useful. So hopefully I get a lot of use out of it and I really love it. It does have that strip of the vachetta, whatever you want to say, vachetta down here. So it does have that little bit of leather that will patina over time. But I just love this little piece. I think it's so cute and it's really, really big for the size. Like, I thought it was going to be much smaller than this, but I'm super happy. So I just wanted to show you my little unboxing and I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.